In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an object or a frame proportionally in Figma. Whether you're working on a user interface, a presentation, or a simple mock-up, being able to resize things without stretching or distorting them is essential. Proportional resizing means that when you change the size, the height and width stay in the same ratio, so your image or frame doesn't look squashed or stretched. First, make sure you have your Figma file open and that you can see the object or frame you want to resize. This could be an image, a shape, a button, or even an entire frame that contains multiple elements. Take a moment to zoom in or out so the object is comfortably visible on your canvas. This will make it easier to click and drag accurately. Next, click on the image or object you want to resize. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it, with small handles on the corners and sides. These handles are what you'll use to adjust the size. If you don't see the bounding box, make sure you're on the Move tool, or that nothing else is grouped in a way that prevents you from selecting it. To resize proportionally, move your mouse over one of the corner handles of the selected object. Corners are important because dragging from the sides alone can change only the width or only the height, which may distort the object. Once your cursor is on a corner handle, click and hold down your mouse button. While holding the mouse button, drag the corner inward to make the object smaller, or outward to make it larger. As you drag, Figma will scale the object. To keep the proportions locked, it's a good habit to hold down the Shift key while dragging, especially if your object is a shape or frame that can easily be distorted. This ensures that both the height and width change together. Watch the preview on the canvas as you drag, and stop once you're happy with the new size. Release the mouse button first, then release any modifier keys like Shift. Your object or frame is now resized proportionally. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can undo the change and try again until you get the exact size you want. With a bit of practice, clicking on the object and dragging from the corners to resize it proportionally will become second nature in Figma.